Whoa, I want to know where I can go when you're not around.
Grilled cheese was the best.
I'm saying, okay?
I suck at making grilled cheeses.
Ooh. Ah. Okay. Field trip. Happy birthday balloons. Yeet. This lighting sucks. I don't know if you guys see that. We got some two geese. Yeet. Say hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera.
Country boy activities.
Country boy.
The geese. You gotta act as funny as you can.
There were some geese. We spotted some geese. I got some cards because when your storage is full, you just gotta like carry on them cards. This one's for a trail camera.
The mighty geese.
Country boy activities.
Country boys.
He ain't even a country boy. He's a fake country boy. What you mean? It's my brother. Follow him on Instagram at the Charles Farmer.
On Instagram, Sarah_Rose03.
For a minute till the sun seen through my eyes. You know you need to get yourself to sleep and dream of you and I. There's no need to keep it moving out.
Sarah's gonna show you her country boy thing.
My efforts to be nature-like.
Nature-like.
This water's pretty warm.
Warm like my heart.
Let's go swimming.
Slow motion hair flip.
I let myself get down in the foot.
Oh, we're gonna go nature sighting. Oh,
Nature.
there's a house.
Oh my gosh. Honestly,
Now,
this
there's
is.
some horses over there. They got some fence in the water. So if the horses fall in, they're gonna die.
Oh!
Yeah.
Graphic. And here is the water. Yeah, we got like a whole like a thingy thing, and it's like a woo, and it's like a wham, it's like a whoa. Living the Tumblr life. This is a danger zone.
I see a wild goose.
2, 3, leave a good tip. I'm gonna blow all my money.
Awkward moment. Selfie. I dare you to post that on your Instagram. Make it all artsy-like with the words and mark.
I'm okay.
Hop in. I'm gonna jump!
Just a prank.
Just a prank.
Yeet! And now it's raining. Oh my god, the geese! Well,
It's so cold!
chin pocket, chin pocket, chin pocket. Oh, dog one.
He's walking away.
He's so petty. Look at that.
Look at that petty.
Petty dog.
He's a petty pet.
Petty dog lifestyle.
Follow my dog on Instagram. _ Leonard.
You're really far away.
L-E-O-N-A-R-D
Like right here.
O-L-D underscore.
Underscore.
Oh wait, no, it's Leonard, dude. So you gotta put it's in front of Leonard. But yeah, Grace put it in for you. Follow him on Instagram.
Hey Sarah, what's the song of the day? What's the song of the day?
Root beer float.
Root beer float by.
No clue. You can buy me a root beer float. Play it now. Insert song.
I've been thinking it over. I've been wishing that I was sober. I've been rolling with papers. I just hit that root beer float. Hit that root beer
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below any videos you guys like me to do. I'll see you guys next
This
time.
lighting
Bye. I know.
Peace out.
Girl Scout. Oh wait, Ghost. Illuminati confirmed.
Oh my god. Peace out.
That when the haters dig Paul. Wait, what if the haters stab back?